Wait, is that one of those rare Rotom dexes? Does it have a Pokemon Rotom inside of it? You called? It does! Hey, do you think you could ask Rotom to help? Sure I can! Rotom zipped into the vending machine, faster than your eyes could even follow. Ooh, interesting. Seems like it doesn't actually change forms when it's in a vending machine. Oh, you see? I was actually a bit involved in making the parts for the Pokefinder zoom function. All done! Oh, looks like it's done. Do you think it worked? Do you think Rotom fixed it? Press the button for fresh water and... it's not cold. But still, thanks to Rotom, so here, you take it. But this experience really makes me think that Rotom holds far greater potential than we ever dreamed of before. Almost limitless potential. It's already become a Pokédex here in Alola. I wonder what it might zip right into next. Maybe a PC box? Ha! Love you, Rotom.